Hello, welcome to the Canvas introduction video. In this video, we will be reviewing over the two ways you can log into Canvas, how to make the Canvas app easier to access through your student email, a review of the Canvas dashboard, adding a custom email and phone number to Canvas, and finally, customizing the notifications within Canvas. Let's get started. At the top of a new tab, I'm going to type in mail.ahub.edu. Once mail.ahub.edu pops up, enter in your student email, which should be your first name, last name @ahub.edu. Once you hit next, enter in your student password. Once you sign in, you can click if you want it to remember your password or not. Once the front page of your email loads, you're going to click on the blue box with the 6 white boxes inside it. This should take you to the apps. Then at the bottom, we're going to click All Apps. Once all the apps load, we're going to focus on Canvas LMS. We're going to hover over Canvas LMS and then click on the 3 little dots to the right. Once we click on those, we're going to click Pin to Launcher. Pinning it to the launcher will help you access it easier in your student email. Once that's done, we can click back and see that Canvas LMS is at the bottom right of our apps tray. As an additional way you can log into Canvas, you can type in ahub.instructure.com. Then you can enter in your student email and password as normal. As soon as you log into Canvas, it's going to take you to the dashboard. Now we will review all the parts of the dashboard. First, we see 2 colored blocks in the middle of the screen. These blocks represent classes. If we go to the block and hover over the notebook and pen and click on it, we can see our assignments. If we click on the 2 speech bubbles, it takes us to our discussions. If we click on the 3 vertical dots on the top right, we can customize these blocks. We can set the nickname, the color, as well as move the block anywhere in that section. Once you're done, you can click Apply. At the very top, at the far right, if you click on these 3 vertical dots, you can change the dashboard view to Card View, List View, Recent Activity, and you can also turn on or off Color Overlay. We will go over this in a separate video. On the right side of the dashboard's screen, there are many things to review over. If we focus on the right side of the screen, we can see there is a to-do section, a recent feedback section, and then we can click the very bottom to view our grades. Next, we're going to add a custom email and phone number to our Canvas account. To start this, we're going to click on Account on the left, and then when it pops up, we're going to click Settings on the right. Once the settings page loads, we're going to focus on the right where it says Other Contacts, and then under that we're going to click on the blue link that says Contact Method. Here I will enter in an example cell phone number, I will enter in a cell phone carrier, and then it will generate the SMS email for me. After that, I'm going to click Register SMS. Once I'm done, a prompt will appear asking me to confirm that SMS number. Since this was just a demonstration, I will be skipping that step. Now we're going to return back to the right side of the screen, and instead of clicking Contact Method, we're going to click the plus email link in blue instead. This process is a bit more simpler than adding a text. You're simply going to add your alternate email in the box and then click Register Email. Once that's done, a confirmation box should appear. But once again, I'm going to skip this step. Now that we've added an alternate email and phone number, we're going to customize the notifications that get pushed out to them. We're going to click on Account, and then we're going to click on Notifications on the right. When the notification page loads, you can see there are a lot of options. We are going to go over each step by step. First, there is a notification preferences legend at the top. This explains what the logos mean below. You can customize each category to send you a notification right away, send you a daily summary, send you a weekly summary, or to do not send you anything at all. Other than conversation notifications, we recommend you leave your notifications on the default setting until you find out what you're more comfortable with. I'm the type of person that likes my notifications right away, so most of mine are a green check mark. Now we are going to go down to the conversations notification settings that I referenced earlier. This is very important that you want these to be enabled right away, as conversations are actually emails that you will be getting through Canvas. So we recommend you set this as a green check mark on all your notification methods. Please note that you can always return to this screen and customize your settings until they are just right. That was an introduction to Canvas. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.